Hello there, everybody, and good morning, and welcome to ICPC and to the JetBrains Tech Track. It's very nice to see you all here today. We're very pleased to be here. I hope you're all enjoying the week so far. Is it going well? Yeah. Come on, enthusiasm is going well. It's good. This is fine. We're very excited to be here, that's for sure. ICPC is a highlight of the JetBrains calendar. We always look forward to it every year to come and visit ICP, especially if you can come twice in 1 year. That's always a good thing. And in fact, we've been here and working with the ICPC for quite a while now. We've actually been global tool sponsor since 2017, which means we've been giving you tools to help with your regionals, with your camps, with your finals since 2017. But we've been involved since about 2001, and many finalists, many medalists, many alumni have actually worked with JetBrains as well. So if you're interested in JetBrains, pop by the booth. We've got HR people, so come and say hi. So I'm just going to give you a quick overview of JetBrains and introduction to us, if you're not already familiar with us, and then we'll move on quickly to other more interesting things. But if you are not familiar with JetBrains, what we do is we build developer tools. So we understand that the code is not the only thing that goes into a software project. It's very much about the people as well, and we try and build tools that help people deliver good software. And so we want to try and take some of the boilerplate out of building software for you so that you can concentrate on solving problems. And we do that by building IDEs, and these kind of IDEs are the tools that are available to you as part of your competitions here, which should be installed on your machines, should be available to you as regionals and boot camps and so on. And if you've got a mainstream language, we've basically got an IDE for you. Everything from C and C++ to Go to Rust to .NET to Java, Kotlin, pretty much any mainstream language, we've got you sorted. And one of the key things we do with the IDEs is put the I into IDE. It's an integrated development environment, so you get everything you need out of the box ready to go. So you can just concentrate on delivering the problems that you want to solve. We also understand that it's not just that the best way to deliver software is to work in a team. I'm sure you already know and appreciate this. So we have a whole load of team tools as well. So we've got UTrack, which is all about issue tracking, tracking feature requests, bug reports, its knowledge base, and other useful tools there. Codana is a code quality platform, so you can actually run this as part of your continuous integration. So when you commit code, we'll run the code analysis from the IDEs and have that reported as part of your continuous integration. And of course, your continuous integration is going to be running on TeamCity, which is a very great, powerful, flexible platform for continuous integration. And finally, we've got data law, which is a great way of working collaboratively with data science platform technologies such as the Jupyter Notebooks. And you can work collaboratively with those and publish them as interactive reports. And now the best bit, of course, is that all of this stuff, we want to try and give it away for free. So if you're a student, if you're an educator, you can get this licenses for all of our JetBrains IDEs for free for use at home or at school. And if you're as part of an educator and working with schools and universities, you can also get access to all of the team tools as well. So if you just scan the QR code, go to jb.gg/licenses, we can give you lots of free stuff. If you don't have that kind of information, come and see us at the booth. We'll give you more details. Just want to have a quick look at a couple of the IDEs that are going to be a bit more relevant to you based on the technologies that you're using this week. We have C-Line, which is a great IDE for C and C++. And all of our IDEs are built on the same sort of platform as well. We've got a common platform across all our IDEs. And this can scale from a single file, which you might be using in your puzzles and problems today, all the way up to multi-project files and very large projects. There's a ton of great functionality in there. We can obviously index your files, do very quick navigation, get you to where you want to go quickly. And we can inspect your files, find issues before you compile, and give you very quick fixes to rewrite your code and improve your code. Refactorings are very important here as well. No more find and replace. Let us do the work for you and do accurate renames, refactorings, extract method, and so on. Integrated debugger is very useful as well. Single click to run, single click to debug, and then you can step through your code, examine values, change values, and so on. Oh, and a really useful thing as well is we've got a Vim editor plugin too. So if you want to keep it old school, like me, then Vim is a great way of doing it. You get the power of the Vim editing language, all then integrated nicely with an IDE. But don't just take our word for it. We've got some nice quotes here. Jason from CPPcast. Again, mentioning the refactoring tools, which are really useful and important. And then Matt's quote here is really important. I think it kind of gets to the heart of what we want to try and do at JetBrains. And he says that C-Line takes a lot of the toil out of C++, allow me to concentrate on the interesting part, problem solving. That's exactly what we try and do. Let us do the boilerplate, let us worry about syntax and fixes and things like that. You concentrate on the business logic that you're trying to implement. Other useful things is C-Line is being used by about a third of the people in the finals. Last year's finals this year. In Egypt, we used about a third of the tools there, so they are nice and popular within the ICPC community as well. If you want to do Java or Kotlin or the JVM, we've got IntelliJ IDEA, and this is built on the same platform. So one of the nice things is if you're familiar with one of the IDEs, you can be familiar with the others as well. Another interesting thing is that IntelliJ IDEA is open source. Our platform is open source, so you can download it. We've got a great plugin ecosystem on the go with all of our IDEs. And all of the Java functionality, all of the platform itself, the version control, it's all open source and you can use it. And because we get to share the platform, we get to share useful features like Git and GitHub integration as well. And then finally, we've got PyCharm for everybody who's using Python as well. So there's, again, it's built on the same platform. We've got the inspections, quick fixes, quick navigation. We index your files. We can go all around the place and very quickly help you with your code. It's got integrations with scientific applications. So you've got your Jupyter notebooks, and visualization of data, and so on. And integration with all of the profilers that you'd like to use there as well. Finally, I just want to mention Fleet, which is a polyglot code editor, an IDE there. So this is a nice lightweight editor that you can use to edit your code, and then you can bring in the code engines from our IDEs to give you analysis and smart IDE type features. It's distributed by default as well, so you can use it remote. You've got collaborative tooling going on there as well, and it's free for educational and non-commercial uses. You might want to give this a try. And then just to highlight a couple of other useful features we've got in the IDEs, we've got the AI assistant, which is, as it says here, deeply integrated and context-aware. The context-aware bit is really useful because obviously we know what open files you've got, what methods you're looking at, and so on. But we can actually go a bit better than that. The IDE has a huge amount of information about your projects. We index everything. And so what we can do is have the AI ask back to the IDE for more information. So one place where this is really nice is if you're using Rider for game development, for example. We index not just your Unity project source code, but we'll index all of the assets and scenes as well. So if you then ask the AI, where do I show the main menu? The AI can say, well, I'll ask the IDE to give me more information. Give me some symbols about show, main, and menu. And then it can find usages of that, and it can tell you even in which scene it's being used. So we can provide a whole load of information based on the details and the indexes that the IDE has already got. So you've got great features with chat. It's useful for working with new APIs and understanding things. It's a nice way of not having to Google all the time. You can just ask the AI to summarize things for you. And it's lots of other great integrations throughout the IDE, writing documentation, for example. Next thing I want to quickly talk about is Code with Me, which might be useful for you. It's a nice collaborative tool for working with the IDEs. You can actually do pair programming here. But it's not just pair programming, it's actually, you can bring your whole team in as well, so you can all work together. We've got permissions there as well, so that you can actually be read-only and follow modes as well. So I could be the host and walk you through some code, which is a great way of working for remote learning, for code mentoring, for code reviews. And it's not just limited to editing either. So we can edit the files at the same time. We can be in the same file, editing and getting code completion, or we can be in different files at the same time. Somebody implementing tests while somebody's implementing code. We've also got debugging and running and access to other tool windows as well, including sort of video chats too. So it's a nice way of working together remotely. Moving on then, we've got Kotlin, our programming language. Anyone using Kotlin? Anyone using Kotlin in the competition? Some of you, that's good. We've got Cody down here, our little mascot for Kotlin. Kotlin, if you haven't come across it, is a general purpose multi-platform programming language. We can use it server-side, we can use it for applications, we're using it to build the IDEs, to build our team tools. Obviously, it's very popular with Android as well. We've got a multi-platform functionality to work with iOS, server-side, and native as well, even JavaScript. And it's a modern, multi-paradigm language, so you can work in an object-oriented fashion, or you can work in a functional programming fashion as well. Functions is a first-class language feature, and there's a very high emphasis on conciseness and expressiveness. So again, we're trying to get the syntax out of the way so you can actually concentrate on solving problems. Something which is useful for you today is that we're actually running a Kotlin multi-platform contest for students. So if you're a student, you can apply for this. You can build a multi-platform application. And if you win this, you can actually get a trip to Kotlin Conf 2025. We're holding this in Copenhagen, and we'll bring you over. It's our own conference for Kotlin, and we can bring you over and invite you there. So there's a link there, kotlinconf.com/contest. If you don't capture that URL, come and see us at the booth, and we'll help you out with that. We also have a programming course as well. So if you're not familiar already with Kotlin, there's a programming course which you can take yourself or which you can use to teach as well. So it's been developed with University of Bremen. We've got a slide deck, all the information you need, exercises, assignments, and it covers the functional programming side, object-oriented programming, generics, lambdas, concurrency, and so on. You can download this, you can edit it, you can use it, you can modify it, you can use it to teach. And that basically brings me to the end of everything that I want to talk about with JetBrains. Thank you for attention. If you have any other questions about JetBrains or about Kotlin or about our tools, please come and see us at the booth. We'd be really happy to see you and talk to you. We've also got a Kotlin challenge, which you might have been working on yesterday. But today, we're now going to hand over, we're going to invite Andrew and Gennady on stage. We're going to do the Kotlin Heroes. Wait for it, wait for it. Let me explain what they're doing first. We're going to do the Kotlin Heroes. We've got the competition hosted on Codeforces. Episode 11 will be opening later today. And we're going to invite Andrew and Gennady on stage. They need no introduction. I'm sure you're already very familiar with them. And if they'd like to come on stage, they're going to be solving the practice round of Kotlin Heroes questions. Well, we've got Andrew anyway. Andrew's going to do it. And hopefully I'm not going to be solving them with him, because that's not going to go very well.
I'll just take a seat. Hey, everyone. I guess Genna is somewhere? He's coming? OK. So while he's coming, I guess I'll just explain what we're about to do. OK, I will just enter this contest for now.
Hello. I'm almost here. Hello.
Hi, Genna.
Hi. Very dramatic.
All right, cool. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a bit of a challenge where we, instead of one or both of us solving all the problems, we're going to be solving them together. So we're each going to get 1 minute on the keyboard, and then we have to pass it off to the other person. So hopefully this won't disrupt. Hopefully we'll be able to solve the flow, and I think we'll try and we'll see how much talking and communicating we do. But yeah, it'll be kind of both of our code mixed together, and hopefully it's compatible.
Yeah, we'll try to talk through the process, especially like when one person is at the keyboard, the other person can talk, right? Because there's nothing else to do anyway. Yeah, also Matt mentioned pair programming. I'm not sure that's the right, we got the term right, but that's our understanding of pair programming. Let's see how it goes.
All right, so we have a 1 minute timer here. Whenever the timer goes off, we're just going to have to stop typing and switch. Yeah, the contest is going to get started. So whenever it starts, 10, I'll just start 8, the timer.
7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's
go.
Let's go.
All right, I got to start this timer.
Okay.
All right, 2 integers minimum.
X and Y. Minimum and then maximum. Okay.
Okay.
And you can probably do it under 1 minute, so he doesn't need me here. Wow. I feel like he's very prepared. He knows exactly what to type.
Read line dot split.
40 seconds. Go. Okay. Read into integers. Okay, cool.
Print line. What is it? Max of?
Min of max of. But
Why? Max.
But I don't think you can do this.
I can't do this. So we're gonna do val a equals.
What? Okay. Fine.
I don't know how to do this.
No, it's fine.
Val b equals.
I think you can also just print the. I'll show you. That's.
Dar a.
Okay.
Dar b.
Okay. You got it.
I'm not gonna compile this code.
Okay.
All right. You have to submit for me.
Okay. I need to restart. I have 1 minute now. Okay, I can submit the code. So I solved the problem. You saw it. All of you saw it that I actually solved this problem. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. No, like this. Okay, square or not. Before binary matrix, zeros and.
String by writing down.
You should talk.
Okay, so there's a matrix, and we're trying to see if we're trying to check if the original matrix is a square binary matrix. So n has to be a square, right? And then.
Okay.
The string is always the
20
result.
20 seconds. Perfect.
Okay. By the way, hopefully our first problem passed.
Who cares?
Okay. I think one thing is you only have to check the count of the zeros and just make sure that like.
Oh, what? Because it's always a rectangle or what?
It's always a valid rectangle.
Okay, so
if
you're
the
ready to
count of
type.
the rectangle is maximal,
Okay,
then we're fine. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, wait. So you're guaranteed that the matrix is of that form, right?
What?
Or are you? Okay.
Yeah. I'm using the fact. So count 0 equals or count
sense.
1 equals s dot
Okay.
count.
So we are just warming up, you know.
So
I hope
if-
that Andrew cannot finish this in 40 seconds, so I can submit it again and pretend I solved
What
it.
is it? What is it for count?
I have no idea. I'm not.
Okay,
just
we'll
kidding.
just do. Okay, we'll do
No.
it equals 1. I don't know how to do this.
Single quotes, yeah.
Okay. If count 1 equals.
But yeah, the
Count
problems, the first problems are pretty easy, but hopefully
Sorry. So if
definitely they're
count 1
gonna get harder.
mod 4 equals 0 and count 1 over 4 minus 1. What?
I have no
n
idea what
equals
you're
this
doing,
thing
but
times
fine, I guess.
count 1 over 4 plus 1, I think. Is this math right?
I have no idea what's going on.
Okay.
See out, yep.
All right, it's your turn.
For sure. So you want to check that n is equal to this number?
I think this is all we have to check.
Okay. I mean, let's just finish it, but then yes or no? Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna run it. I'm sorry.
Okay. Because we just want like the min number of. This is like the minimum possible number of ones, right? It's like it's a square.
What? What?
I don't know.
It
Did I
just
misread
works? Wow. Wait. Okay. Fine. Okay. So you could see how smooth I'm going through the problems.
All right.
Okay. Cool.
Oh yeah. After we solve C, we'll know whether we solved B correctly or not.
Yeah. That's fine. Select 3 integers, assign all elements of the array with indices. Yeah.
The price of this operation depends on the selected integers. So to buy a bunch of items costs just the number of items we buy. Okay, my turn.
Yeah. So
okay.
far, so good.
So far, so good. I think I've written the most code, and Genna submitted all the problems. Least amount we need to spend to make all arrays equal. The array will be equal to assign all the elements to the same thing.
Okay.
Okay.
So you just assign elements one by one. So you just need to find the most frequent element, or what?
Yeah, I think it's just
n
the most
minus
frequent
the most
element.
frequent element?
Yeah. Okay,
good,
so
good. 30
s
seconds,
equals
no
readline
pressure.
dot split dot map it dot to int.
What a nice morning.
I don't know how do you get the frequencies of s? Okay, fine. We'll use a map.
That's fine.
MP equals mutable map of. What is it? No, mutable. It's just mutable map, right? Wait, sorry.
No. I think off was okay.
Do I just do int?
Oh.
All right, your turn.
Probably. Yeah. My turn. Perfect. What is this? Why is this still here?
It's okay. How bad could that be?
Oh, what's the... What?
The minimum we have to...
Okay, no more than once. Dude, who reads the statement? It's
more than
bold, but
once?
no one reads the statement.
No more than once. Okay.
Okay, we can talk about it later.
Okay, so then...
Then it's first or last element.
Yeah, okay. Or are you just gonna... Okay, sure. N, yeah.
I guess. So we have two options, right?
Yeah,
so
yeah.
we can find how many... I don't know what's going on.
Sure.
But,
Recur minus equals 1?
I guess and minus from 0, yeah. Sorry, yeah. And then otherwise break.
Okay. For I and...
Else break.
Okay. God. Break.
Yep.
Shouldn't we
Now
just make this like a loop?
Up to you.
For V in... What is it? How do I do this?
2, range 2, no, 0, what?
Like this, right?
That's some involved.
For
coding.
n minus 1 down to 0. Wait, what?
Yeah,
If
yeah.
Si equals V.
Okay, looking good so far. I think I can finish it
Else
and submit
break,
it.
Cur. Ants. I don't know where I am anymore.
Yeah,
Ants
no,
equals
it's fine.
min of ants cur.
Yep. Okay, let me submit. Let's submit.
All right.
Should I just submit?
How bad could it be?
Okay. Let's test. That's fine. 4, 0 to 0. I don't know. We don't have too much space here, but
Those are
negative
numbers.
7.
Yeah.
That's probably correct. But what do you do when you see negative numbers in the input? Of course. I mean, obviously.
Okay.
Right?
Oh, sorry. Start the timer.
Oh, I didn't restart, but it's fine.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay, it's fine.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
fine. It's fine. Obviously. Okay, B plus 2.
Okay. Next
go.
problem. We have n sticks. The length of the ith stick is 2 to the AI. Okay, powers of 2. Are they distinct? Not necessarily distinct. 3 sticks.
Okay.
So do we just need 3 of the same?
No, two biggest ones should be the same.
The 2 biggest ones should be the same. Okay. So let's just sort it, right?
I guess. It's fine.
You could have kept the previous line too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah.
I have.
Yeah. Just. Okay.
Long, I guess. Yep. Okay.
Sorry, what am I trying to do? What am I printing?
Number of ways. So
Number of ways.
It's
Oh,
long.
okay.
Restart the timer.
Wait, this is kind of annoying. Var.
No, it's not annoying, Andrew, right? Or is it?
Isn't it kind of annoying?
Polar ones there
Yeah.
are.
So okay.
And just
So
do
I'm just gonna do
choose 2.
var j equals 0. So while I less than n. Okay, sure. So we'll do like index of the first guy that's strictly less than you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no. Last guy. Last guy is strictly less than you, or like
Sure,
first
sure,
guy
sure,
that's
yeah.
equal to you. But no, it doesn't matter.
In 0 until n. While j less than I and.
Okay, so we have 8 problems in total. We
S of
submitted
j is
2. Oh, we submitted
plus
3,
plus?
right? Okay.
J plus equals 1. Can I do this? Okay.
And you should be able to, but
Okay.
you cannot
All right.
anymore.
Well, you can here.
I can.
Okay.
Yep. So let's do
what is
this
this?
first.
No.
Right?
Okay.
And now.
Now it's just ants minus equals j choose 2. And then, yeah, hopefully that 0.
35200.
Okay.
Okay. Oh no. Okay, so far the problems are pretty short, so we don't need to swap too much, but it's okay.
Yeah.
We have 4 more problems.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you think we are in the first place? Yay!
Yeah. Woo!
I'm sorry. I'm
No,
sorry.
back to
it's
you,
okay.
back to
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
So all right, great. I get to read the problem now.
yeah. Yep.
String is lexicographically smaller if it's a prefix. Sequence of lowercase letters. S1. To obtain SI, remove a character so that SI is lex min. So what we want to do is we want to find the first character that is bigger than the one after it, right? So dollar is negative infinity, and then we want to find the first character that's bigger than its successor, and then output the character in position in the position pos of the string. So pretty much they're asking us to do queries.
Yeah, just in that string, that character, right? So.
Yeah. So I don't know. We have to do some square root at least. Like,
Wait, do we have to?
well, we have to. Well, I guess we can like binary search or something. But
Yeah.
okay. Well,
Wait, what?
I think we just compute for each index when it gets removed or something, or maybe we
No,
simulate.
but then you need some kind of like
Sorry, how many test cases are there?
binary index tree or something.
Oh, sorry. There's only one query.
Oh, okay.
When you get a character that's smaller than all the previous ones, you just like keep removing the previous ones in the previous things. Like you always like the first character you remove is always like the first character which is greater than its successor.
Yeah.
So
okay.
you just like when you push a guy like
Okay. So.
So while pos is greater than 0, I guess.
Kind of, I guess.
Well, we're not gonna actually. Sorry, S is not. We have to do this in timer. Sorry, S is too long, right? So we're not given the length. It's not in the input. Okay. So val n equals var n equals s dot length.
Okay.
And then I guess we'll just iterate through this thing. So for C and S. So we'll just do val.
Okay, I get it. So
val
for each
stack
character, you just
equals
decide.
S.
No, for each character, just decide if there is a smaller character after it.
Yeah.
You remove it. So basically, you do 2 passes. You go left to right, and you remove characters which are smaller than their suffix. And then second pass, you remove the remaining characters.
Yeah, I'm just gonna try and do it all in one
I guess
pass,
from the
right?
end.
So
From
if
the end,
stack
yeah.
dot empty, if not stack dot is empty.
Okay, I don't. Why are we using
And,
stack? Okay.
What?
Okay, no, that's fine.
What are we doing?
No, it's okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, well.
So you can see the power of pair programming. And
Yeah. So like, if the stack is not empty and like.
while? Do you want while or what? Do you want?
Yeah. Sorry, while stack not. Well,
But also I want the positions or something. I feel like.
But you don't need the position anymore, right?
What?
Like we're just gonna remove down until we like. We're gonna keep removing until we remove the right number of characters, and then you just add all remaining characters with S.
Okay. Oh, but it's.
So I think you do like while pos greater than len and this thing.
So you just.
Pos greater than n.
Okay, so like when you move, you like subtract.
Yeah. When we
Something.
removed, yeah.
Okay.
Last, yeah.
Then we remove.
Yeah, but also only remove if pos greater than n. Yeah.
Okay.
So now we do like pos minus equals n minus equals 1.
I don't know.
Remove last.
Yep. Nice.
Okay.
And -1, I guess. Yep.
Okay. Why is pos not letting me subtract equals n not too long? I guess.
It's val. No, it's val.
Oh, okay.
Now you subtract 1 from n.
Val pos, var pos. Okay, and then n minus equals 1, right?
Yeah.
So if pos, so now we just like read off the kth element of the stack, I think. So just like print line stack of pos minus 1.
Wow. Okay.
Dot 2 int. Dot 2 int
What?
minus 1.
Oh. Wow. Okay.
How many braces do I need? Where are my braces? Okay. I'll run in this.
Okay.
I don't really.
You'll run, I'll submit. That's fine.
Okay, yeah.
Control R. Yep.
So ABX.
Oh.
Wait, what?
Uh-oh.
Not print line?
Not print line. Wait, there's another issue.
Okay. Okay.
Out of bounds. Why is it out of bounds?
Well, it's probably just the last one, right? It's probably just
Yeah,
the line at
this
the
line, but why? Oh, because we don't push on the stack. Interesting.
end. Okay. Okay.
Okay, and now what? Not print the line, just print? I
Yeah,
guess?
sure.
Okay. Maybe I didn't need to copy it again. Okay, still
Okay,
bad.
still wrong.
Okay.
Should we print the stack after every time?
Can we?
Sure.
Okay,
Should
let's
have
see.
a two-string.
Debug output.
Yeah.
That's the best
C,
way to debug, right?
A, B. Sorry, what? Why is it only
Sorry.
running one duration?
It's 6.
Oh, okay, okay. C, A.
A, B. Oh, okay.
What?
I think you still need to do this.
Oh, because negative infinity. I see,
Okay,
I
you
see.
get to submit this
Okay,
time.
okay, yeah. Okay, great. This is for
Start,
negative
start.
infinity, right?
Start. Remove
Okay.
the print stack and probably just submit.
Okay.
Okay. What do you think so far?
Sorry, how do I open this?
Oh, no, sorry, yeah.
Okay, E.
Okay.
Where's our code?
Yeah.
E.
So submitting might take another minute.
Yeah. Well, some of us have less practice submitting than others. Okay.
That's,
Okay.
sure.
Let's just go back to the problems, and then let's just start reading the next.
Okay. And
Okay.
cities.
N cities located in a line. Oh, it's still. I'm still on keyboard. Oh, I have
Yeah.
plenty of time. I can delete our code first.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll read the code. There are n cities in a line, can be used to move between 4 portals. If have portals, each city has 2 portals. The minimum cost to move from X to Y. So the movement costs I minus J coins. All right. Okay. Well, usually, okay. So the only
Okay.
bad case is when
Yeah.
there's two cities. Is there one query? A bunch of queries. So the
Bunch
only
of
bad case is
queries.
when the 2 cities have
No common
no
portals.
nothing in common.
So
and
you
then
just need to find some city which is different from either of 2, and you can move through it.
yes. Like
So you
any
need to
of the
find the
other,
closest on the left or on the right, or,
well,
or
in between.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just lower bound on like, just try all other options and lower bound on like on the right endpoint, and then like I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I guess that's fine.
Is it?
Well, I don't
no.
know. Sorry, are they only in one line?
A restart. No,
Yeah.
they are. Sorry. They are like this. So yeah, they are.
Oh,
on
okay.
one.
So this. Okay. So then, what do we do? So
Remove the code. Sorry, remove the rest of the code.
yeah.
This
Okay.
is 2. And this 2. Yep.
Okay. So I guess we'll just what we're gonna do? Val strings equals list of what is it? This, right?
So
Yeah.
yeah,
Manually inserting quotes. Yeah.
that's where we need an AI assistant, I suppose.
Yeah. Okay. So now val positions, I guess. List of equals list of
Yeah. So the solution is
map.
clear, I guess, but
Okay.
okay. What was going on? I mean, mutable
I'm just gonna create a mutable list for the indices, and then we
mutable
can just
list
put,
for indices.
yeah.
Okay. Wait, what?
Sorry, it's to make it curly braces.
Wait, what is this? This? No, sorry, I'm very confused.
No, sorry.
Like-
Sorry, make the map take curly braces. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
That's some nice Kotlin
And-
features.
yeah. Yeah. But it's like strs dot index of or something si. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
for each city type, we know
Yeah.
all the positions where it is,
Yeah.
and now we need to go to queries.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. So
Uh,
repeat Q.
repeat. Read ln.
No, wait, Q is already in, right?
Oh, Q.
Yeah.
Cool. 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 Cool.
Okay.
Yep.
I'll try this. Okay, so we have LR. So
Okay. So
var
we
LR equals
have been doing
okay, val.
some team competitions
R
for some time
equals-
now, so I guess
yeah.
we have some
dot split.
understanding of what's going on, but
Dot map. I'm
there's
gonna
still
do
work to be done.
int.
There's still work to be done.
We're supposed to subtract 1 here, I guess.
Yes.
Okay. So then
Could it be? Could they be? Okay,
val
just check.
A. So if
Could L be equal to R? I don't know.
yeah, well, we need to check that they don't have anything in common,
Yeah, but
right?
could it just be the same city? Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna reorder these. Well, are they already complements?
Oh.
They
no,
are already
no,
complements,
no.
right?
Oh, wait,
No?
oh, I see. Yeah. Sure.
Are they?
Well, this way, the reverse direction.
The reverse direction? Okay, so if S, okay, so positions,
Yeah, you need to find positions of SL, positions of SR. Yep.
val V equals strs dot map, or I don't know, vals. Okay.
Okay.
I just want to type this thing in.
Yeah, I get it, I guess. This?
Strs dot index of it.
Huh? No.
Strs dot index of it.
Strs. Wait,
Sorry,
why is it
sorry, it's
map?
not strs dot
It's
map. Yeah, S dot map.
It.
Yeah. Okay, great.
And
Yeah.
here you just do vals I.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Some dirty magic.
Yeah.
Sorry, again.
Then we output
they could just be equal.
the difference, right?
Oh, I see. It doesn't matter. I guess it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Um,
R minus L. R minus L. Oh.
that's the fancy swap.
A var. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
You can also just do dot sorted.
That's true. That's a good point.
Yeah. Okay.
Else,
All right.
you need to
my
go through
turn.
different positions.
Yeah. Okay.
Something. I don't
This
know.
is also not equals.
Yes, that's not equals.
Okay. So they're guaranteed to be different.
That's the
so
power of pair programming. I
Yeah,
typed something,
if
he found a mistake immediately.
equals
If I have to
vals
like
L or
read this code, it would take
vals
quite some
R.
time later.
Continue.
Cool.
Can I even? Do I need the curly braces?
No.
No. Okay.
Or do you? No. I don't
So
think you know.
how do I do this? This is positions of x dot bisect, binary search,
Okay. I mean.
lower bound. What's
ceiling,
the syntax?
floor. I don't know. You told me.
This is not right.
L. No.
What does it return? All right.
Okay.
Returns the index of the element, otherwise the inverted insertion point.
Oh, the inverted insertion point.
Inverted insertion point.
Okay.
Okay, well, we don't have to worry about... Okay, well, your turn. We don't have to worry about the positive case, right?
Yes, we don't.
And I think also you need to take...
What? Okay, I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
you need to take the... Windows controller.
Okay, good.
You need to take the...
Take what?
Sorry, it takes a pair of indices and a predicate, right?
Tak, okay.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
A pair of indices? Oh, what? Does it? Sorry, why? Okay, this doesn't have to be so hard. Okay, can we just type binary search?
We're gonna type this
okay,
binary search.
We
Okay.
are strong enough to do binary search.
Vars.
But that's a lesson for everyone to learn your standard library. Wow.
Yeah.
What is it? Okay, okay.
This is over too
Wait,
small.
what is it? It's not size. What is that?
Isn't it length? What? No. Size? Wait, that's size without a parent.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a property.
That's right, that's right.
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
Okay.
Here you go. So we need to find the first element which is bigger than L?
Yeah,
Or what?
that's right. Which couldn't be high,
Yeah,
right?
that's
So
fine.
then
High equals mid, I guess.
high equals mid, else low equals mid minus 1.
Plus 1?
Plus 1?
Yeah.
Yes, plus 1. Okay. So, okay, so
Now we
if,
need to check
yeah. So now we want to
this
check
element
the
and the
two
previous
of them,
element.
right?
This
so,
one and the previous one.
okay, here, let's just do, we want the answer var ants equals, I don't know, 2 times n.
Okay. I mean, that's also impossible, right? Yeah,
What?
it's fine, it's fine.
Yeah. Sorry, what is there?
There is impossible case, yeah.
Okay, okay.
That's
So,
-1, I think. So.
okay, okay. So now, if let's see. So now we just want to check low and high.
No, low and low -1.
Low and low minus. Sure, they're equal, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
for C and D in low list.
Low
of
-1
low
dot
minus
dot
1.
low. But
Okay, okay. So.
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay. Okay. Positions x dot size. Yeah.
Okay, now we just need to
CND.
CND. Yep.
Yeah.
Now we just need to do.
Ants.
Okay.
Cur.
No.
No, it's, positions x. Yeah. Val. I don't know why. Okay. Candidate. Has R minus. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. What was it? No.
No, it's yeah.
I'm pretty sure I can
Yeah,
press
yeah.
something.
Import function.
Nope.
helps. Yeah, just
Okay. Learn your hotkeys as well.
yeah.
Don't be like me.
Okay.
Is it the right nesting? I have no idea.
It looks fine. Okay. Are you running? Not just gonna submit.
No, it's wrong.
Wrong.
Need to do -1 and then submit. Don't test
sorry,
anymore.
what?
Just do if ns equals -1, if
okay,
ns
okay.
equals. No, you can just do this line.
Oh, sure. Yeah.
No. It's if and else. If that,
Oh, yeah.
else. Else ends. Just submit. Just
Okay.
submit. Okay, we don't have that much time left. How much time do we have? That's a good question. 30 minutes. So that's the right timer. Sounds good. Sounds good.
Okay.
Let's go.
Do
Let's
we,
go.
let's just read the next one.
Let's go. Yeah.
Okay. Playing a computer game, killing monsters, n monsters in a row. The attack value equals to AI, defense equals DI. Put a berserk spell so they're attacking each other. To the closest alive monster to the left, and the closest to its right. So every monster, the total damage received this round. So
Okay. Now I have the keyboard, but we don't have anything to type anyway.
yeah. So
Then
it's like a
everyone
linked list. I mean, do we just maintain the set? Like maintain the adjacent pairs?
Every life monster.
I'm trying to think if there's anything we can do.
I'm trying to
that-
understand the statement so far. I'm sorry.
Okay. I think we have to just simulate it,
Okay.
and it sounds pretty.
So just find the one that died. Wait, what? During this round. So it's just like set
Yeah. Well,
or
I mean,
like list. I guess just list is fine.
No, like you only have to check the people who are like. The only candidates are the people who
Yeah,
like
next to the
immediately
guys
next to the
who
people
just
who
died.
just died, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
so-
I think we just like maintain a linked list and then like filter down. Like we just like we kind of do the naive thing where like you just always maintain the list of candidates and then you filter and then deduplicate and stuff like that. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Oops.
Yep.
It's okay. Yep.
Read line. What are we reading? N and D. Okay. Val A. Read line.
Okay.
Dot split. How do you like to do your linked list?
Pascal
LT.
way.
I don't know what that means.
Okay. I mean, just previous and next in array.
Okay.
What do you usually do?
I think that's fine. So
I
val
don't care.
priv
Whatever. If you
equals
have better ideas,
list equals mutable.
you can probably even do something. Okay, fine.
Mutable list. N it -1.
I mean, just int array, I think.
Okay. Oh.
Just int array instead of mutable list.
Okay. Int array and it +1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so val cans
Is it not
var
right?
cans equals
Oh, to int. Okay, fine.
what?
No, it's okay.
Yeah.
Right.
What happened?
Oh, no, it's
Oh,
fine.
yeah, I see.
So, okay, so we have candidates now.
Yeah, just initialize it to everything, right?
To what?
Int array n, like, or maybe list set. I don't know, whatever.
It's okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so now what?
So just for each
What do we need to find?
round, the number
Okay,
of
okay. So just repeat n or something?
yeah, sure.
Or no, I guess.
Repeat n is fine.
Okay. Blah, blah, blah. You need some array of results, I guess, right? So we
Yeah.
just need to print it in the end.
Yeah, and we should also keep track of who's alive at any point in time because
Yep.
we can easily push candidates that are not alive. And true, right? Okay.
Okay, and now just repeat.
Yeah.
Okay. Round. So
Okay.
we need to go through the
Not random.
candidates.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
now,
Check if x is a okay.
okay. But we also need to check, so we need to check its
So-
neighbors on the left and on the right.
Yeah. So we're gonna just filter the candidates. So cans dot. Do you know how to get unique? Dot unique. Set.
Okay.
Can I do that? How do
You
I?
can just check if it's alive, but okay. Doesn't matter.
Oh, okay, sure. Well,
You just
okay,
checked here that
so
it's alive.
if
Oh, I see.
alive
Sorry, no,
x,
you have to be careful. still.
well, I want to like, okay,
Oh, you need to
val
filter. You need to
to
filter
remove
first, and then you
equals
need to remove. I
mutable
see. Like
list,
you need
right?
to.
I'm gonna do this.
Okay.
Mutable lists int, right?
Off. Yeah.
Of int, yeah. And then I'm gonna, okay. If alive x equals and, right?
Well, you shouldn't remove it here. But okay, yeah.
Yeah,
fine.
I'm not gonna
okay,
do
fine,
that.
Fine.
Alright,
Yeah,
priv
yeah.
x not equals -1 and priv. Yeah, I'm not gonna remove
Yes,
the.
yes, but you will mark them.
Yeah,
and then
okay.
remove them in the
So
next step.
d
Okay.
of priv x.
Perfect understanding.
So okay, I'm gonna. Okay, this is a nasty ternary. Go.
This
you
what?
know, this is a kind of ugly ternary.
This looks pretty bad. Yeah. I'll just type this code instead.
Okay. Oh, okay. Timer.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Timer.
No equals n.
Huh?
N. Next of the last element is n, not -1.
Yep. And okay, cool. And then we need to.
Put the candidates in right here.
What?
Put these guys as new
I
candidates.
got it. Res of round equals
To remove dot length. To remove dot size.
remove dot size
Okay.
and put the candidates here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess we should make the first one a mutable list then.
Oh,
Which
it's
is
not a
fine.
mutable list.
Yeah.
Is it? No. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Whatever.
Okay.
Just do something.
Okay.
Just
sure.
type it in random parts of the code.
Okay. Is this my responsibility?
Yes. So that's how we can actually parallelize. Like
yeah,
Andrew does
so-
some parts of the code.
And
I just do the other. So I think we should just
So
decide that
this
one person does the top part, the top half of the code. The other person does the bottom half of the
zero?
code. What do you think?
0 plus
Okay, he's too focused.
right. If next of x not equals n, then d of next of x L0.
Are we doing
is
the
greater
championship
than-
for the longest line?
Look,
I think
don't know how to
you're
type,
winning. You're winning.
Is greater than what?
Dx.
It's greater than or equal to, right?
Oh no, not
More
dx.
than?
Yeah, greater than A.
Oh,
it should be no.
AX. Okay. So
Okay.
this is. Wait, sorry. What?
No, it's A and D are.
Okay. Okay. So this is A. This is D.
Yeah, and that's also A.
How do I get here? All right.
You don't. You just don't.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. What a nice line.
All right.
Okay. Cool. Cool. Cool.
Okay. X. What? No.
Not X.
Prevex.
Prevex.
Okay.
And now,
Can equals. Yeah.
is it fine? Nope. Not
C and D.
can't. C and D.
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay.
I like my.
Wait, no, you can't do that still?
It's probably not
C
a-
and Ds.
Oh, okay.
Nice, nice.
Oh, join to string.
Right?
Oh wow, so fancy.
Dude. We have 6 minutes, not too much, not too much. Maybe we shouldn't be testing because it's correct, right?
Okay. I don't have this ability to like read the samples and like remember
I
what
have-
the
I
numbers
have.
are, so
5
that's
minutes,
okay.
5
No,
minutes.
it's still you. It's still you.
Is it?
Oh, okay. Well, we're given an array where each element is an integer. Should we check our result or no?
Well, okay.
All right, we'll check our result.
No, just open here, yeah. Okay, it's
Okay.
running.
You're given an array where each element is from 1 to x. Choose 3 integers, L, R, K, and each element is different than k. Okay, so your goal is to make the array all elements equal. What can k be? K can be up to 1 through x. Okay, so if we just consider like what the final target is, right? So if there's some element that never occurs, we just move it to that. Otherwise,
I
like,
guess
what's the
we-
final target? Everything that like equals it, we have to like move to something else first, right?
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, good enough, good enough.
good enough. We'll just keep typing until the end of the time, or like keep thinking about the problem.
Okay, let's
All
just.
It's your
keep
turn
thinking.
to. It's your turn to
oh,
think
it's
about
my
the
turn
problem.
thinking. Okay, okay. So we have in this problem we have some operation which is
Oh,
chooses.
the bounds
yeah,
are very
the
small.
bounds are small, so I guess we need some DP. I don't know.
I guess you can just do. Is there really no way to do this? So I guess you just DP just interval and value,
Something like that, yeah.
and then
Interval and value. And we need to do you need some inner DP where you like split the array?
yeah,
no?
you do like interval and not equal to
Oh, I
this
guess,
value,
like-
and then you do
Like you can split the interval or you can
yeah,
cover.
you can either split the interval, but that's end of the 4, which is fine, I guess.
Yeah, it's fine.
Is that fine?
It's fine.
Okay, well, you want to start typing?
No.
Uh,
Okay, let me think.
yeah.
I mean,
Make
if you feel
all
like
them
we can do
equal.
it in 3 minutes, sure. Go.
All right.
Go,
all right,
go,
all
go,
right.
go,
We'll
go,
type.
go.
We'll type. Well, how do I even like make mutable lists of the right size? Okay, let me first like hide this thing.
Yeah, sorry. Yep. Nice.
So A. Okay.
And then
So this
X.
is all correct still, right?
No.
Actually.
No, N and
except we
X.
want-
The first line is N and X.
Okay, and also
What
we
is
want this
X,
to
by
be
the way?
1. Okay.
Why do you have X? What is X?
X is the max value.
Oh. So there's no reason to have it.
Hmm?
So we don't really need that variable, but we just have it.
Well, no. I mean, you need to know like if all the
Okay,
AI
okay.
are okay. So our DP mutable list of what do I do? Mutable list.
Int array, I don't know. Sorry, array and then int array.
Is it array? Sure. Array. Yeah, I'm not. I don't know. Mutable list n plus 1, I guess.
No, but that, okay.
Okay.
Sorry, I have no idea what's going on. I think just array is fine.
Okay.
But it doesn't really help.
And then
X plus 1,
X is fine.
plus 1, whatever.
Okay.
Oh, maybe it has to be X
Yeah.
because, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Now what? What's the initial value?
The initial value is infinity, I guess.
Okay, what is infinity?
Well, unless Oh, sure, that's fine. N plus 1 is, or I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah. N is fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So unless L and R, like the left and right endpoints, are the same. Okay. So what's our DP? Is our DP the number of ways to make this array, the minimum number of ops to make this array all equal to X or all not equal to X?
Yeah. Maybe we just need even 2 values or something like that. Equal or not equal.
Yeah. And then you like update the.
Yeah. One of them. One through the other.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Let's check. Let's check the standings. Let's check the standings. So I think no one has solved this problem yet, so it's probably hard.
Yeah, so probably we probably don't need to solve it in order to win the contest.
I think we probably have enough to win, but I'm not sure.
We'll have to see. We'll have to see.
We have to see. Okay, I mean, the scoreboard is it frozen? Okay, it's not clear what's going to happen.
We should look at our friends' standings just to see if we have any friends who are participating.
Our friends are doing pretty well.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Well, I think that's probably. Oh, we need to start the timer. Sorry, I get the last minute, I guess.
Okay. What are your thoughts on this?
I thought it was pretty good. We definitely don't have the same coding style, but that's okay.
That's true. So it's not that easy.
Our variable names are pretty different.
Okay. I tried to adjust. You tried to adjust, but it's still.
Yeah.
We tried to meet in the middle.
Yeah. And we also had to write binary search ourselves.
Yeah, but we didn't have to debug anything. Also.
We did not have to debug anything.
So that's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, so Kotlin Heroes practice round is going to start, I think, today.
Yeah.
So you can solve the same problems, and you can also solve problem H and beat us. So that's for you. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, well done, folks. That was absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much. And as a small thank you, here's a small Cody mascot for you. Ladies and gentlemen, Andrew and And all of that was all live streamed on YouTube as well, and it was on Kotlin TV. So if you want to go and watch that again, if you missed any of it, you can go back and find it on YouTube on Kotlin TV. Also, I think now everybody has to move into the contest hall, I believe, for the ICPC challenge. Thank you very much for your attention and for your time. And once more, thank you very much to Andrew and Gennady.
Thank you.
So please stay where you are. I will just make it and teleport myself to the stage to announce a couple of instructions.